Of course, the first thing you do is open the hood of the car, but once you get that done, most cabin air filters are towards the back, and in my Dodge, it's right here. Some cars actually, some models of cars actually have them behind the glove box, so you actually go through your glove box to get to them. But in the Charger, it is in the back of the front. So there's a couple things here you just pull up on, pull this off. Then you got the inside. Now this has a couple things you got to squeeze too. This car. There we go. Here's the old one. Let's see how it looks. See, it's dirty. It's not really filthy dirty, but it's pretty dirty. And that's the old one. So I'll just discard that. This was a cheap one. I'm not going to bother cleaning it. I only paid $5 for this one, actually. So I'll just throw that away. So the new one, this is a new one, a brand I've tried. It's called Clean Air. I got it online at Amazon, actually, for $11.97. It's like half the price of the Mopar cleaner and a couple dollars cheaper than Fram. And it had great reviews, so I thought I'd give it a try. See, it's brand new. It's got the charcoal filter, and it says actually you don't have to worry about the arrow, but it's the same on both sides. So that makes it kind of even easier to put in. Most of them will have an arrow on the airflow, so you got to make sure you get the right direction. This one, so it doesn't matter. So put it in either way. So now I got the filter. Let's lift this up, and it should just slide right in. And it does. Just snap that shut. Snap shut good. And put the top back on. Make sure we get those in right. Oops. There we go. There we go. Snapped in. All right, that's it. So good for another year, about 20,000 miles. And I'll do another video and let you know what I think of this particular air filter, since it's about half the price of the Mopar filter and oil cheaper than the Fram. Thank you for watching our video today. We have more car videos. Please check them out. Please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and check the other videos we have. See you again later.